Welcome to MathQuants channel. Today we are going to see class 9th Maths chapter 1 exercise 1.3. First question, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So we know in the real numbers and their decimal expansion there are two kinds of decimal expansion. First kind is terminating, okay, and the second kind is non-terminating and recurring or repeating, we can say, okay. So what is the meaning of terminating? If a number of form P by Q, okay, where Q not equal to 0, okay, if you divide P by the number Q, then the remainder is 0, then we can call that number as terminating number. If you divide a number P by Q, if the remainder not or never becomes 0 and it is going on, the quotient is going on having the numbers, then that number is said to be non-terminating. And here in these numbers, that is non-terminating decimal expansion, some block of numbers will be repeating, okay. Therefore we call that number as recurring, okay. So these are regarding rational numbers, okay. If you consider a rational number, there are two kinds of decimal expansion. What are the two kinds? Terminating and non-terminating and recurring. Terminating is if you divide a number P by the number Q, then if the remainder becomes 0, okay, if the remainder becomes 0, then that number we call as terminating, okay. If you divide P by Q, if the remainder never becomes 0 and some block of numbers are repeating in the quotient, okay, so if the remainder never becomes 0, that number is said to be non-terminating. And since some block of number repeats, therefore it is said to be recurring, okay, non-terminating and recurring. So basis of these two, okay, kinds, we are going to say all these 6 numbers, we are going to say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So first one is 36 by 100. You are finding in the denominator, you find a number having zeros with 2 digits zeros. Therefore, that many digits, the pointer after 6 will jump towards left. Therefore, we can write 36 by 100 as 0.36. Okay, here the remainder becomes 0, or you can, if you can't write like this, okay, if you can't write like this, you can divide 36 by 100, okay. So since 36 is less than 100, you keep a point here and you add a 0 in the right side of the number. Therefore 300s are 300 and remainder is 6. You again add 0 to the right of the number. So 600s are 600. So therefore the answer is 3.36. Here the remainder becomes 0. Therefore, according to this, if the remainder becomes 0, that number is terminating. Okay, so here you write terminating number. Okay, next problem is 1 by 11. So you have to divide 1 by 11. Okay, so this, since 1 is less than 11, you keep a point in the quotient and you add 0 to the right of the number. Here you see 10 is less than 11. You add 0 in the quotient and again add in the right side of the number. Therefore, you can write 9 11s are 99. Again 1 remainder. Okay, so initial number. Again you add 2 zeros and you add 1 0 in the quotient. Okay, again 99. Again the remainder becomes 1. So here the remainder never becomes 0. Okay, and this block 09 repeats. Therefore 1 by 11 is nothing but 0.0909 etc. Okay, it will not end. It is going on. Okay, the quotient will be going on. Therefore it never becomes the remainder never becomes 0. Therefore this number can be written as 09 bar. This bar represents this block of number repeats. Okay, therefore the answer for 1 by 11 is 0.09 bar. Next, third problem, 4 1 by 8. This is mixed fraction, so you convert into unlike fraction. If you convert, 4 9s are 4 8s are, then 4 multiplied by 8 plus 1 by 8. So 8 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33. 32 plus 1 by 8. This is 33 by 8. You divide 33 by a number 8. Okay. So here first number is 4. 4 8s are 32. Okay. The remainder is 1. Again you put point in the quotient, then add 0 to the right of the number. Okay, then 1 8s are 8. Again you subtract, you will get 2 as remainder. Again you add 0. What number will be nearest to 20? 2 8s are 16. Okay, so 16. Then remainder is 4. You again add 0 to the right of the number. Then 5 8s are 40. So the remainder becomes 0. Here this number is said to be terminating. Okay. So this is terminating. Okay. Here regarding this is non-terminating. Okay. This number is non-terminating, comma, recurring. 09 repeats themselves, so recurring. Here 3 by, next problem, fourth problem is 3 by 13. You divide 3 by 13. Okay. Since 3 is less than 13, you add 0 to the right of the number and keep a point in the quotient. And 2 13s are 26. Okay. If you subtract, you will get 4. Add 0 to the right of the number. Then 3 13s are 39. Again you subtract, you will get 1. Okay. Add 0 to the right. Now also 10 is less than 13. Therefore you write 0 in the quotient and you add a 0 to the right of the number. Okay, now 7 13s are 90, 7 3s, so 91. Okay, 91. And if you subtract, you will get 9. Add 0 to the right of the number. Then 6 13s are 78. Okay, then if you subtract, you will get 12. 12 is less than 13, so add a 0. Here also you add 0. No, here no need. Okay, here you add 0. So 120. 120 is 9 times 117. If you subtract, you will get 3. So the initial number 3 you will get. Okay, so this will go on. Okay, never ends. This will go on, and this block of number 230769 will repeat again and again. Therefore we call this as, okay, non-terminating recurring. So 3 by 13 we write 230769 bar. This block of number will repeat themselves. Okay, therefore this is non-terminating recurring. So next, fifth problem is 2 by 11. So the number 2 you divide by 11. Okay, since 2 is less than 11, you put a point in the quotient, you add 0 here. 1 11s are 11. If you subtract, you will get 9 as quotient, 9 as remainder. Then again add 0 to the right of the number. 8 11s are 88. If you subtract, you will get 2. Add 0 to the right of the number, 20. So 1 11s are 11. So here the same remainder 2. Okay, this will repeat. Therefore again 9 0 8 88. Again 2 will come. Therefore this 1 8 repeat themselves. Okay, it never ends. Therefore this number you write 0.1818 going on. Therefore 0.18 bar. This number can be said to be non-terminating recurring. Okay, so sixth problem is 329 you divide by 400. Okay, since 329 is less than 400, you put a point and add 0 to the right of the number. Okay, then 8 400s are 3200. If you subtract, you will get 90. Okay, since 90 is less than 400, you add 0 to the right of the number. Then 2 400s are 800. Okay, again 100. 100 is less than 400, therefore add 0 to the right of the number. Now 2 400s are 800. Again 200. You add 0 to the right of the number. 5 400s are 2000. So the remainder is 0. Okay, if the remainder is 0, the number is said to be terminating. Therefore 329 by 400 is equal to 0.8225. This number is terminating. Therefore, okay, so first problem is, first number is terminating, second number is non-terminating recurring. Since 09 is repeating, it's going on. Okay, so the remainder never becomes 0. Therefore, it is we call this number as non-terminating recurring. And third number is terminating, since the remainder becomes 0. Fourth number is the remainder never becomes 0. This block of number repeat themselves. Therefore, this is said to be non-terminating recurring. Fifth number is non-terminating recurring. Same thing. And sixth number is terminating, since the remainder becomes 0. This is the answer for this question.